Hey, I am here to show off a little project that I just finished, and I wanted to build the Chrome logo. So this logo, except as a 3D model. So what I've done is over here in OpenSCAD, I've created this file, and you can see here's one of the parts. And it's basically, the idea behind this model is it's going to have three parts of different colored rings around it. I'm sorry, different wedges. And then a button in the middle, which is a screw-on cap that holds it all together because these things are all threaded together. So I'll show how this works. You can see here's the red part. And you can see it has a threaded shaft in the center part, and it's kind of a half sphere. And if I go over here and I can show you the different other parts, you just change this model file. You see the yellow part. There we go. And it just kind of clips out a different section of the model. And all it's doing is it has built the whole model with the integrated screw, and then it cuts out 120-degree wedges for each of those colors. And then the blue part is a little button that holds it all together, and that also has kind of a screw. Uses the threaded library that I found on Thingiverse. So that is how that model works. And it also has a couple other options I built into here. This is the model I built now with a half hemisphere, but you can turn this hemisphere variable off, and then you get like a full sphere version of it. This would probably be pretty cool to play with too. I will probably build one of these, although you have to be careful to build it with support underneath here because of the very low pitch angle. You're going to have to build it with support on a MakerBot extruded printer. And the other feature I have in here is what I call the squash ratio. So this is like full sphere, but if you want a kind of a squashed version of a sphere, you can get a kind of an egg-shaped version of this logo as well. Although this one you need to adjust the pitch because it's I think the threads are not working on that version. I might have to play with that some. It looks like that's not quite working. Yeah, so I'll have to debug those cases. So the I'll show you now. Here's the actual pieces out of red PLA, the green translucent PLA, and yellow and blue PLA. And then what you do is you have to put them all together. Remember, you have to get them in the right order so it goes around the circle: red, yellow, green, like that. And then put the cap on the top and you just screw it down, and it screws down over the threads, and there we go. There's the Chrome logo, and the back side's kind of cool too. It shows the way in which each of those 120-degree wedges was cut out. So there it is, 3D Chrome logo.